Welcome to our channel, where today we'll unravel the fascinating technology behind a common household marvel, the microwave oven. At first glance, it's just a box that heats food quickly, but how does it actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Inside the microwave oven, there's a vital component called the magnetron. This high-powered vacuum tube generates microwaves, a type of electromagnetic wave. When you turn on your microwave, the magnetron emits these microwaves into the oven cavity. Now, let's explore what happens when these waves meet your food. Microwaves cause water molecules in the food to vibrate rapidly. These molecules possess partial positive and negative charges, so they align with the direction of the electromagnetic waves. As the waves repeatedly oscillate, the water molecules flip back and forth. This rapid movement generates heat through friction, effectively warming your food from the inside out. The magic of microwave ovens lies in their selective heating. Foods high in water content heat quickly, while those without much water remain unaffected. That's why reheating soup takes only seconds, while a ceramic plate stays cool. It's the water inside the food doing the work. The oven's interior, usually metallic, is designed to reflect microwaves back towards the food, further maximizing efficiency. A rotating turntable ensures even distribution of microwaves, so your meal heats uniformly. Safety is paramount. Microwave oven doors are lined with a metal mesh, preventing microwaves from escaping while allowing you to watch your meal cook. This ingenious design assures that all microwave radiation is retained within the oven, keeping you safe from exposure. It's important to use only microwave-safe containers. Materials like metal can cause sparks or even fires due to their conductive nature. This can damage the appliance and create safety hazards. Now you know the science powering this everyday convenience. It's a blend of advanced technology and careful design, transforming electricity into quick, efficient cooking. Whether you're reheating leftovers or defrosting dinner, the microwave is an essential tool in modern kitchens, making our lives a little easier, one meal at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing insights into the technology that shapes our world.